Hello viewers, welcome to Missology. There's an image on your screen, an image with a dot pattern, and inside the dot pattern there is a 4-digit number. You may wash your eyes, dab it dry, and then try to read the number. I'll be focusing it for quite a considerable length of time. Which number do you see it as? Do you see this as 1246? That is 1246. Then you are suffering from short-sightedness, where you can see objects at near distance clearly, but you have difficulty in seeing the objects at larger distance. This is usually due to your eye lens, which becomes too curved, or that your eyeball has become lengthened from front to back more than the normal diameter. This can be rectified by wearing concave lenses. Now, if you do not see it as 1246, but you are seeing the number as 3240, is it the case with you? Then you are suffering from astigmatism. That is due to the uneven curvature of the cornea, where you see some part of the object clear and other parts unclear. This can be corrected by wearing cylindrical lenses. If you don't see either of the number that I have already revealed to you, if you are seeing it as something else, are you seeing this as 1240? 1240? Then you are suffering both from short-sightedness as well as astigmatism. This is a combined problem of both the inability to see the far objects with clarity as well as seeing an object with certain parts clear and others unclear. You may be one who's not seeing it as any of the numbers that I have revealed till now. Are you seeing it as 1244 or 1844? Then you are suffering from presbyopia. This definitely not a child will see. This will be a case with a person who has aged considerably. When someone has become older, this may be a case of presbyopia. And here, this is due to the loss of flexibility of the eye lens. You are very fortunate if you haven't seen the number as any of the ones that I have revealed till now. If you are seeing this as a different number, which I finally tell you, if you are seeing this as 3246, yes, you are lucky. Your organ of sight is perfect. You are enjoying a good health of your eyes. Your eyes are just perfect without any problem, and you don't need to visit an ophthalmologist. But if you are not seeing the number as 3246, it is always better to go consult a doctor and get your lenses accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with many more such videos which will be of use for you. Thank you once again.